Hey YouTube, Kim Brzelic here. Got a little project I'm going to go over with you, and maybe I could get some advice from anybody who's willing to comment. I want to tighten up my my carriage here. How this normally operates is these pieces bolt up to the carriage, and right on that little edge. The problem is these cap head screws which hold it to the casting. If you got those more than finger tight, you're not going to move that slide. So I saw an idea another YouTuber had done, and it involved some ball bearings. And basically, the material would look something like this. This would go in the back side. We'd have ball bearings here, which would be directly replacing this. And then this would be on the back with ball bearings adjusting lateral movement. I did a little investigating here, a little experimenting with some ball bearings. My 1/4-inch center drill seems to give me a perfect pocket to seat that ball bearing. And then I got a number 3 drill bit and a 1/4 28 tap. And so we got set screws in there at the bottom, which will raise and lower and give me the adjustment for the cross slide. Obviously the finished pieces are not going to be quite that thick. I'm going to be working with this 3/4 by 1/4 inch material. So we got everything taken apart to look at the different opportunities. And I'm also thinking about going back to the milling attachment. Before, the milling attachment sat on something like this, and which actually brought it up a little higher than I would like. What I'm thinking is to drill and tap this directly to the cross slide, which would bring it to a good level, I think. I was going to leave this thing alone. The last time I used it, it was a disaster. But, you know, through my inexperience, I was trying to use this thing like I had a Bridgeport. And, you know, I guess I just need to learn a little finesse. So, those are my next 2 ongoing projects. Please like and subscribe. If you have any ideas, please pass them along in the comments. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. Good day.